Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see one important tool that is helical sweep tool. Okay, for that I have created one figure that is stud. By using helical sweep tool we will create thread on this stud. Okay, so select helical sweep, define the plane, now perpendicular to the view, and now draw a line, say okay, and now you have to select helical axis about which you want to revolve this thread. Okay, so this is our center axis. Okay, now sketch is available to us. Click on sketch and now draw a shape which may look like a thread. Okay, I am going to equal all the sides of this triangle and I will give dimension it as a 2 mm. Say okay, and now you can see threads. Okay, if you want to increase the number of threads, then you can decrease pitch value like this. You can see threads are ready. Okay, we'll see one more another example, that is wood screw. I'm going to create the thread on this wood screw. For that also same procedure we have to follow, that is select helical sweep, then define the plane. Okay, perpendicular to the view, just create reference line for the reference, solve and close. And now I will draw line, and here is a arc. I'll draw it also, and then again line from this to this and say okay. And now select axis, that is center axis, and now sketch, draw a sketch like earlier example. I'm going to equal all the sorry I'm going to equal all the sides to each other like this. Okay, and I will give dimension it as a 5. Okay, and now okay, and here you can see the threads are applied to our screw. Whatever threads are going out of the boundary in the sense we need a point here. You have seen a wood screw. For that we should have a point to penetrate the wall or wood anything. Okay, so this we don't want these threads. So why this happen and how can we solve it, we will see. Just go again helical sweep and follow same things. Just select the plane and then perpendicular to the view. Now rather than starting line from here, we will start it from here like this up to this, and again arc should be there. Sorry, and now arc should be there. For that center is here, and rather than stopping here, I will continue it up to our axis and say okay now. Okay, and now I will select axis and now sketch. I will draw rectangle, sorry triangle, which having equal sides. Okay, now I will give dimension as 5 and say okay. And now you can see we have which can penetrate the wall or wood or any application part, right? I will again go. I want to change the dimension and to reduce it. and here you can see. Okay. Okay, now we will use same command to create spring. Select a helical sweep tool and define the plane on which you want to create a spring. I'm going to select this. Now perpendicular view, and now we need to draw a line, and this should be our center line about which spring will revolve. Okay, now I will give dimension. This is outer diameter of our spring. Okay, so I want it as a 60, and length should be 100. Length should be 100. Okay, click OK, and this is direction of starting your spring. I'm going to sketch now. I want a circular spring. Diameter should be 10, and click OK, and here you can see spring is created. If you want some space between two consecutive wound, then you can you can increase the value of pitch like this, and this is your spring, right? Here you have some more options also about, reference pitch. This is starting pitch is 100. If you click on add pitch, then automatically endpoint should be there. If you want more wound at the bottom, then you can reduce pitch value like this, and here you can see, right, this wound is going inside this wound, which is not good, or which is not feasible realistic. For that you have to increase the pitch because the diameter is 10 mm, so we have to keep minimum 10 mm distance between consecutive wound like this, and here you can see. So this all about the helical sweep tool. In next video we will see another tool. Thank you.